Hello guys, this is a new video. It's all about the wireless mouse. When you're forgetting your mouse, it's just very useful app in your smartphone. It acts like a wireless mouse or keyboard. Just go to the app store. I'm showing in the iOS, in iPhones, and this app is available in Android also. Yeah, go to the app store in iPhones and search remote mouse. And there is a two versions. One is the free version, which is it's almost 38 MB, very little, yeah, tiny app. Yeah, whereas in Android it's almost 15 MB. It's a small app in Android also. Yeah, I'm showing in iOS, and please open the app, and you can see the some instructions going on the screen. Yeah, you need to go to the website, official website of this app, www.remotemouse.net, for connectivity to your desktop or monitor. It's just connect with your Wi-Fi network. Let me show the this is the official website of this remote mouse app. Yeah, you can see, if you want to if you want tutorial of this app, you can watch the video, or you can generally scroll down to see the features of this app. The most of the features whereas in the pro version. Yeah, let me show. Yeah, first step, download remote step app in your phone, either Android or iPhone or iPad, whatever. Second step was install remote mouse server on your computer. This is not a software, it's just a server. It's like just a file which is installing on your laptop or desktop, whatever. Yeah, it supports the Windows, Mac, Linux, as other, so other operatings. Yeah, I'm using Windows laptop, just I'm downloading Windows. It's just 2 MB to download, very little, and installation going on, just to install. And the software doesn't open unless until we forcefully it open, doesn't open most of the time. Yeah, we this yeah, you are seeing. Yeah, just connect to the my laptop. Yeah, you can also connect with that, or you can connect via IP address or any. You just for the connectivity, just need to the connect to the Wi-Fi network, which with smartphone is very simple. After installing software in your laptop or desktop, and just open, it's directly opens the application, background. In the background, you need to connect to the same network what your smartphone connected to. If you're that simple, it's a Wi-Fi network. Yeah, you just saying the whatever green screen on my smartphone, it's a trackpad. You saying, yeah, you can see the cursor moving on screen with this smartphone. Yeah, you can see, right? Yeah, cursor moving on the laptop screen. Yeah, and there is many settings. The volume button remote, it is on the pro version. The mouse button, gyro mouse, yeah, button is nothing but when you move the smartphone, it just moves the cursor. This is a tracking speed of cursor, the slow to the fast, and the scrolling speed. And whatever seeing the pictures, it's nothing but it replaces your trackpad image. Yeah, I'm just tap on, yeah, this whatever seeing you the green trackpad, which changes like what you want to set the image you want. I'm just setting to the default trackpad. Yeah, you can log in the portrait mode. Yeah, it just makes, it doesn't disturb and it doesn't move the screen unless until you. Yeah, I'm just trying to scroll down the screen. Let me see, yeah, I'm setting the cursor speed. Previously it was so accurate. Maybe my phone is very old, that's why that not, this app is not that accurate, but the modern mobiles are support very well for this application in your desktops or computers. Yeah, I'm just scrolling down, by touching and by scrolling the corner of the screen. And these are the few other options you can search over there. Yeah, I'm searching, yeah, typing something on the trackpad. Yeah, let me text for a cars. I mean search for the cars by clicking on the screen. Just it, I mean it's like just like a mouse, wireless mouse. And these previously we seen in the settings at gyro mouse. This is the one you move. Yeah, it's easy to, I mean it's like when you're moving a smartphone, the cursor move and pin, I mean cursor moves on the screen to easy access. These all functions are in the pro version only, the function tab. And this also the power button, yeah, you can these are power settings. And these I mean what you are seeing in the taskbar, these shortcuts, when you tap on the word or something, it just opens up the recent apps, like recently used apps. And you can, yeah, you can also see the shutdown sleep reset, but don't do the shutdown directly what I did in this video, because it directly hard shutdown. I mean it's forced to shut down the system. May you are working in the files or something, any work, it doesn't, maybe it doesn't save. Why to take the risk? You can go for the sleep or reset, I mean go for the sleep, but don't do the shutdown with this app unless until you want to shut it down the computer or laptop. And guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe and tap on bell icon for instant update notifications.